that it has been cut. And now we will get 2 spectators from the audience to watch right up close. 2 spectators from the audience to watch right up close. I think perhaps the gentleman over here, your name, sir? Yes. Renash. Avenas, can you come on up? Come on up, a round of applause. And perhaps the gentleman over here, come on up. Give them a round of applause, make them feel welcome. Come and join me up on stage, one on this side. Thank you very much. Lovely to have you involved, sir. And one on this side, thank you very much. Perfect. Come a little closer, We're going to perform an illusion, and for this illusion, we need your permanent marker. Do you have one? It's okay, I brought one just in case. There's a permanent marker for you. And I will tell you where the illusion is going. Your job is to watch this pocket. This is where the illusion will end. Don't walk, come closer. Perfect. Your job is to watch the pocket. My job is to make you look away using psychology. If you watch the pocket, you'll see how the illusion works. If you look away, then you will feel wonder. Watch, take out any card you would like. Don't let me see, take it out, don't let me see, and sign your name nice and big on the face of the card, on the front. Use a lot of ink. It's the audience. Lots of ink. Did you sign the card? Lots of ink, yes? Use lots and lots of ink so they can see from a distance. Perfect. Pass the cap. You're supposed to keep it a secret, but I don't mind. I've seen this trick before, so it's not a problem. Pop your card back in. Hold your hand palm up like this. Perfect. Don't move. Watch. The 2 of spades, yes? Give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Or maybe you want to see the signature. Maybe you want to see it is written across there. Could you verify your card? Yes? I will tell you how I do it. I slide the card in the deck, I tap it extra hard, and then I shoot the card up my sleeve. It's very much like shooting it sideways, only it's shooting it backwards, so you don't have to catch it. And from there it goes up, along, and down into the pocket, but on the inside of the waistcoat. Watch, I will show you. Look. Out the back, can you see? Up the sleeve, it goes up, along, down, and into the pocket. That is twice. Thank you. One last time, the signed card will jump to the pocket. Did you see it jump? Do you know how it happened? This is your final chance. Can you hold my wrist tight for me? Both hands. Perfect. Don't let go until I say. Under this impossible condition, the card will jump. Can you verify your signature? This is your signed card, yes? Keep holding tight, don't let go. Watch. With a squeeze and a flick, the card goes up, along, down, and into the pocket. Take it out, show it to everybody, give them a big round of applause, ladies. Wrong one, here it is. Oh no, my mistake, so they stick together sometimes. Oh wait a minute. The whole deck has jumped in here, leaving just a single card in the hand, the signed card. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you, you may have a seat, thanks so much. You did fantastically, sir, thank you very much, you may have a seat. He was watching carefully, he was watching very carefully. I'm fascinated by words and the power of words. So I'm going to try a quick demonstration to choose someone who I think is focused, someone who will respond well, and magicians try to connect people through the shared experience of one. So let us try to connect 2 people on stage together tonight, and hopefully I'll choose 2 people who do not have a close connection. So we'll build this close connection on stage. I'm thinking 2 gentlemen. Everyone take a deep breath in. Let it out. Very good again, a deep breath in. Let it out. Fantastic. I think you are going to be excellent at this, so I can tell you are really focused. Your name? Mohit. Lovely to meet you, Mohit. Volunteers! I'm going to get you over here, sir, if you can have a little seat. And I'm going to get you over here, sir, if you can have a little seat. Perfect, have a little seat. Fantastic. I want you to put your feet flat on the floor. and I want you to look out into the audience, and I want you to choose a spot. I want you to choose a little spot of light in the audience and focus your eyes on that spot. Allow your eyes to become glued to that spot of light as you relax, listening carefully to the sound of my voice and aware of everything that I'm saying as you begin to focus. That's right. I want you to begin paying careful attention to two sounds. Well, two senses. Firstly, the sense of sound. So anything that I say, any instructions I give, notice my voice, notice those instructions. As you choose a spot in front, focus only on that spot. And I want you to pay very careful attention to the sense of touch. So if you were to feel somebody tap you on the knee, I want you to notice where, when, and how many times you felt that touch. And to help you focus on the sense of sound and the sense of touch, I would like both of you to close your eyes down tight. Close your eyes down tight and keep them closed. With your eyes closed down tight, could you please raise your hand if you have felt me touch you? Raise your hand if you have felt me touch you. If you felt any tap or touch. Sorry, sometimes my accent is difficult to understand, so I understand. It's a little challenging. Okay, I think I'm going to choose one volunteer and let the other one go down. I think this gentleman over here. So open up your eyes, open up your eyes. It's just a quick test to see who can focus, who can visualize, and who can understand everything I'm saying clearly. Yes, fantastic. Every card different, every card shuffled. I do like to be clear so people can see. I'll mix them up for you. Fantastic. And for this to work, you need to be in the same focus state. So you did very well. I want you to look at your hand, focus only on your hand as your hand comes up and touches against your face. Your eyes can close. Listening carefully to the sound of my voice. I want you to imagine in your mind the faces of different people you have seen, the people who are here tonight. Use your imagination and notice those things that give away what people are thinking and feeling in that moment. The blinking of their eyes, the color in their cheeks, their breathing rate, all these things tell us something about how someone is thinking and feeling. Continue to use your imagination. I'm going to chat to the audience. I'm going to go into the audience, and everything you hear will move you deeper and deeper into the state, keeping your eyes glued down tight until I come back and tap you on the shoulder. When I tap you on the shoulder, your eyes will open, and you'll come back to the room. But until that time, drifting and floating at your own rate and speed. Okay, he really is focused, I can tell. He's in a relaxed state. I'm going to get a few of you involved from the audience. I think over here. So could you say stop anytime? Can you remember? This worked. This has worked. I want you to notice the lady over there. She's thinking of a card. Don't guess, just observe. Take a mental picture of the lady. Fantastic. Continue to stand. Don't give anything away. You're doing great. Also, there's a gentleman at the back here. It's difficult to see with the lights, but he is thinking of a card. Don't guess, just observe him. Notice his little movements, his smile, that body position. Perfect. And now I want you to notice the gentleman over here. He is also thinking of a card, but don't think of that for now. Just observe. Keep staring. Keep staring until it becomes really awkward. Perfect. That is long enough. You now know everything you need to know, you just don't know how you know it. Isn't that amazing? Look, all the cards are different. Look for me and remember one card you can see. Yes? Again? Yes, stand up. Name out loud the card. Please don't react if you hear your card.
3 diamonds.
A red 3, 3 of diamonds. Fantastic. Tell me stop again. Say stop.
Stop.
Yes, remember the card? Yes? Or this, or this. What was it? Out loud for everyone.
3 diamonds.
Diamonds? Are you sure? Do you know the suits? I think he's confusing the suits, but we will try, we will try. So we have a red 3. Yes? Picture a new card. Do you want the red or black? In your mind. Red. Choose a new number, not 3, a different number. Any number. I trust you, it's your instincts. Which one? 5. A red 5 and a red 3. And one final card. This card is a black card, but I will not tell you which number it is or letter. It could be Jack, Queen, or King. Which one do you think it is? In your instincts. 8. A black 8. A red 3, a red 5, and a black 8. If you got one of these right, I will be impressed. If you got 2 of them right, it will be a miracle. If you got all 3 right, this gentleman's head will literally explode from wonder. If you chose a red 3, a red 5, or a black 8, please take a seat. All three cards, ladies and gentlemen, give them a round of applause. Today's psychic. Thank you very much. You did so well. Impossible. Yes, right?